Here's a new 2018 Ram 3500. The sound of this Ram 3500's engine is the mechanical equivalent of, "Yeah, I can do that, boss." It was built to haul payloads, tow equipment, and take care of you and your bottom line. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Turbo V6 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, trailer hitch receiver, heavy-duty shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. Motor Trend elaborates, "Clearly there's something for everyone on the new heavy-duty Ram. It looks better, it's got more features, it's got more power, and it can tow and haul more than ever before." When you need to grab life by the horns, you need a Ram. Experience it for yourself today. Come into Mall of Georgia Chrysler Dodge Jeep to see why we're known for superior pricing and superior service.